Hi, I'm going to show you how to log into spellingcity.com and give you a little bit of information about what you can expect when you do log in and how your grades are going to be factored in based on what you do. So when you go to spellingcity.com, type in the address as normal, and then you hit the upper right hand corner, the login button, and let me show you what that looks like. You'll be taken to a different page. This is what the page will look like. You want to type in your username, your password, which I've already done, and then click login right there again. No, you do not want to save your password. No, 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 no. Upper right hand corner, you'll see whose class you're in. And of course, if you look to the left, you'll see that you're on your home page. Now, everyone will have an assignment. You are no different. If you look right here, you will see the assignment or the word list group that you're in, which in this case is anti and bi. You'll see that it's a 1-6 showing here on mine. That's because there are 6 total assignments assigned to me, and there's one that I've actually completed. The due date for all assignments is 9/23/2016. Down here, if you use the arrows, you'll see that I have completed one of the activities with one of the games. It shows what day I completed it, and then of course what's highlighted is the next activity in the set. You will not be able to do or skip around and do any other activities in the assignments until you've done the ones that are set in the particular order. And of course these things show me how long you've been on an assignment, what your score was, which words you missed, and things of that nature. Speaking of which, my records. If you look here, you can see the vocabulary list that I was working on. You can see the activity that I did, the date that I did it, how much time I took on it, and of course the score. I got 100%, so there's no missed words actually there. If you go up to the very top again and click lists and games, there's a little surprise there for you. Underneath Latin and Greek roots, you'll see at least some, not all, but some of the word lists we'll be doing throughout the course of the school year. Once you've finished your regular assignments on the home page and you've memorized the spelling and vocabulary of the main words, you're more than welcome, if you're curious, to go to lists and games and see about basically practicing any words in advance for spelling and vocabulary quizzes. Now, let's just say that you actually haven't quite grasped the different words that you have to study for the first unit. You can easily go to Lists and Games, excuse me, and then go to Games right here, or go to Study, or print out the words. It's up to you. And you can quite literally just play more games, getting used to the vocabulary, practicing the spelling until you're able to ace a spelling or vocabulary practice test. The only thing that I ask that you do not do is do not go through and actually test. You can do the practice test for these just to see where you're going to be going or what you're going to be doing, but please do not do the official test. Save that for when we're in class together and I officially assign that. So you have in Spelling City, you have your home page where all your assignments are. Get these done first. You have lists and games that show all the actual word lists we'll be using throughout the course of the year. Not all, but most of them to date. And then, of course, you have your records too in terms of what your score was, how much time on task, and all of this I can see too as your teacher. So that's about it. That's spellingcity.com and how you log in, and basically a little tour of the system. All right, take care. Bye.